Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to show with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Luvme Hair. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a headband wig from Luvme, and I just love Luvme Hair's packaging. Like, how adorable. I have worked with them before on my channel, so they are no new brand, and their quality of their hair is always fabulous, so I'm expecting nothing less than that for this wig. So once you destroy this beautiful packaging, you will be able to open it and get your wig and everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys. So this is what I'm seeing first. So this is actually the wig, so let's just go ahead and take that out. And I just love the detail and everything they put into their packaging. Like, yes. So let's go ahead and take the wig out, because we've established that the packaging is super cute, right? Like, can't get any cuter, right? Well, it will, just wait. Anywho, I do have the curly 24-inch hair today, which I'm super excited about. I've been wanting some long curly hair, so shout out to Luvme for sponsoring this video and bringing me this hair, because honey, yes, I feel like I'm gonna be living with this wig. Okay, so the next thing I am taking out are these headbands, and these are of course to go with the headband wig. So it looks like they have an assortment of solid color ones in here. As you guys can see, there's different ones. So the next thing I'm pulling out is wig caps. We always need these. I'm gonna be wearing my brown one today, but I will be putting this in my hair drawer because I can always use wig cap. The next thing I'm pulling out is this cute, adorable bag. It's like a holographic color bag, and it says Luvme Hair on there. I don't know if you guys could see it because all this holographicness is going on, but it has some of the essentials that you will need to style your wig. So it does have an scarf for your edges, which we will be using that today. It also has bobby pins. I don't know if we'll need that today, but bobby pins are always an essential thing for a wig wearer like me. It also has an elastic band. It also comes with an edge brush, which we're definitely going to be using this today. And then it comes, this is so cute. I am so glad I get to collect these because these are so cute. It's a blinged out hairpin that says Luvme. And then it also comes with some tweezers. Okay, so and it comes with this cute bag where you can store all this stuff. Like, this is perfect for when you're traveling and you want to put like all your little wig essentials together. Like, you can just throw it together in here, and I think that's just so nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into showing you guys the cap construction and everything now that you guys have seen the unboxing. So here is the cap construction. So it is a headband wig, of course. If you guys are not familiar, it's basically like a half wig, and it comes with this band on here. Okay, it's a stretchy band. This unit in particular also comes with 3 combs in the front, so one here in the center, so 2 on the sides and 1 in the center. And then it also comes with, let's see, no adjustable straps, but it does come with a comb in the back as well. And then of course in the back with the elastic, this does stretch, and it does come with the Velcro, okay, which you can detach that and make it as tight or loose as you would like. And then here is the beautiful hair up close in all its beautiful curly glory. I personally don't like to use the combs. I do shave my edges, but I still want to save the ones that I don't shave. So yeah, I'm gonna bring the hair up to the front, and I am gonna go in and wash this hair. So this is how it falls on me without me doing anything to it. So like kind of like mid back, but of course if you stretch it, it does go longer, so it will go to my butt. So since I'm not going to show you guys the washing process, I did want to show you guys like what I'm going to use. So I did get this from the beauty supply, and let me get it a little closer. So this is what I'm going to be washing the hair with. Okay, so I washed the hair. I did put this leave-in conditioner on it. This is the Marc Anthony 100% coconut oil and shea butter leave-in conditioning mist, and this is it's a detangler, repair dry, all that stuff. Like, so it's all good, and I love this. I usually use this on my curly hair. Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord, I've been
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh 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 eh. You a murder me, eh 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder.
Okay, so now that you guys have seen me style up the hair a little bit, I am here to give you guys my thoughts on it. So first of all, I am here for it being this big, okay? Like, I'm so happy I got to see the state of it, like, more dry, and after I, like, kind of play in it. This is what I really love. I love big, fabulous, sexy hair, okay? I love big, sexy hair. It's just, like, a whole vibe. Like, it makes me feel like a queen when I have, like, big curly hair or like an afro. I don't know, is it just me or is it just me? But yeah, I really do love it. The texture is so soft, so beautiful. I feel like Luvme hair just has it in a bag, okay? Like, the texture is just very nice. The curls are beautiful. Even in this state, it's just very gorgeous. I love the density. I love how big it got. Now, if you don't want it to get big, you can just not like run your fingers through it too much. Like, you know, you can wet style it and leave it how you're going to style it. But, you know, mine's got big because I was manipulating the hair different ways. I was just wanting to show you guys that you can wear it more than just down. But this is my favorite way to wear it because, you know, it's just easy. Throw it on and go, especially like with the black headband. Most of the time I don't wear a headband because I feel like it looks just very neat, but I don't mind with the headband either. It looks really good either way. Overall, I do like the hair. The hair quality is really nice. The hair is soft. It was really easy to style. It didn't take a lot of products, so overall I would definitely give this a thumbs up, okay? Like, because this hair is super cute. And not only that, like, the headband wigs, like, it's just the way to go. This does come in different lengths. I do have a longer length. I do have 24 inches, but if that is not your cup of tea, you could definitely get a different length, okay? So just make sure you adjust everything on the site. In my personal opinion, I feel like this is a very affordable unit for the quality you're gonna get, and just, you know, for the overall like easiness and everything. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will definitely have a link in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you guys found this video very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments on this fabulous hair. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often and you definitely don't want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.